Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zoho Books Accounting Review My Usage Experience. Zoho Books Accounting Review My Usage Experience offers cloud-based accounting software designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to simplify accounting tasks, including invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Key features include inventory management, bank reconciliation, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features. Zoho Books positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable alternative to more complex accounting software. They highlight ease of use, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and a range of integrations with other business tools. Availability is global. You can check their website for specific regional details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zoho Books. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was intuitive, and I was able to connect my bank account and import existing transactions within minutes. Navigating the interface was straightforward. The dashboard is well organized and provides a clear overview of my finances. I particularly enjoyed using the automated invoice creation feature. It saved me a ton of time. I also found the expense tracking tools very helpful, especially the ability to categorize expenses easily. Performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any slowdowns or glitches. I had a quick question about generating a specific report, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated bank reconciliation. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for using the more advanced features like inventory management, but it was manageable with their help documentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zoho Books. It's a powerful yet accessible tool that significantly simplified my accounting tasks. That's my overview of Zoho Books Accounting Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.